Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video you are going to see the most coolest poppets you've ever seen before and some really new poppets that you've never seen before. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you watch till the end of the video. So they had some of the biggest poppets that I've ever seen. They had game controllers, teddy bears, sharks, and they were so big, they were around $30. This is one of the newest things I've seen. Game controller game boards, and also a rainbow game board. They were around $30. Have you ever seen a poppet purse before? And look, they have jumbo TikTok poppets. Oh my gosh, you guys, I was in poppet heaven. Oh my gosh, guys, dimple overload. Look how many dimples there are. There were so many and they were so hard to choose from.
They even have glow-in-the-dark pop tubes.
They even had more ultimate fidget packages with more goodies inside. And just when you think you've seen it all, they have poppet headphones. They even have different color jumbo pencil cases for $11.99.
Whoa! Jumbo squishmallows!
You guys, this TikTok poppet was the coolest poppet I've ever seen, and I'm coming back to get one. Maybe 2, or maybe 3. They had so many jumbo squishies. They had llamas, watermelons, oranges, ice cream cones, you name it. Candy for breakfast. Yup, you see it. We found slime lickers. Who remembers lollipop whistles? This is the most DNA balls and globbles I've ever saw. comment down below, guys, what is your favorite fidget? Who remembers TikTok's viral apple juice, jelly fruits, and jelly sticks? If you like monkey noodles, like this video. Oh my gosh, look at all these marble mesh. Now this is what you call a jumbo poppet. Oh my gosh, look how big it is. They had so many blind balls, and they even had mini brands series 3. Here go more jumbo poppets. They had so many pop tubes, both big and small. We found more poppets in all different shapes and sizes. You guys, this is literally Poppet Century. This is the first time I've ever seen this dimple pops before, and it was super cool. You guys, I could not believe it. They had Series 1 mini brands, but they were $14, so I did not get one. You would not believe how many Halloween squish they had. They had a whole wall full, plus bins filled with Halloween squish. They even had Squishmallows for breast cancer and Fidgets for breast cancer. They had a few regular small Squishmallows, and they also had Squishmallow backpacks, which I've seen for the very first time. They even had mini mystery Squishmallows, and they were scented for $10. They had so many Squishville and so many Squishmallows. I would like to give a huge shout out to my mom for bringing me here. You are the absolute best. I love you. Here go more Squishmallows to look at. I couldn't believe they had a Reese's Squishmallow. I was very tempting to get it. As we get to the end of the video, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And if you would like more videos like this, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Help us reach 100,000 subscribers before 2021 ends. We love you so much, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.